If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
Rabbit things, I think they're just wild around here.
Wild rabbits couldn't drag me away. What do we got coming here, folks? Become a member of Animal Arc. Yeah. It's kind of trippy in here. Wonder if they're gonna put something out there like ostriches or something.
This is awesome. They have the whole grid, like their solar wind components of powering the whole facility.
Oh, good. How about that?
We heard, did you already show them the fan over there?
I did.
It's crazy. Crazy sound.
There it is there. Pause and educate yourself.
Honor garden is this.
Yep.
Okay, so is this part of it? Yeah, that's their administration building, that building on the way in where you're like, look at that. Oh, glass. Glad people care.
Got rock, it says.
Nice administration building. Hello again.
You too.
Thank you. Happy
Well, that
birthday,
little
little
one.
guy. Big guy, I mean. Scotch plum.
Oh, you too. We
Oh, it's definitely different looking.
got a
Oh,
emitter leaking.
and a,
Did somebody check that out?
what is it? A Kate Gallagher? Oh, in memory of.
Yeah.
I thought that was a Kate Gallagher tree. That's fancy. Yeah, they have different names on those, but you don't want to go trouncing back in there.
Desert tortoise is in here.
I like tortoises.
See it. Oh.
Where is it?
It's supposed to be in here anyway.
There's no water in here.
Unless they lock them up.
I mean, they're pretty big. They're not going to just not be seeable usually. Huh.
I don't like that.
Mr. Peabody's not into the
Lie to us. Restricted. Base camp. All right, mosey on down.
It's not.
Got some rams trying to jump out of the ground. Yeah. Yeah.
This is some kind of juniper, this one in the middle. Smell it and I see the little weird berries.
Yep. Fur.
There's some. What is this? Wild rye. Told you. Juniper. Called it.
Yeah, people actually plant those at their house. To each their own.
Cheetah? I didn't see a cheetah on here. Oh yeah, there's a cheetah. Cheetah run.
There it is, right on the rock.
Oh, there's a few. There's, gosh, cheetah the right.
Whoa. coming right for us.
There's Amani, Jabari, and Tambo.
Let me get over here in the corner, but they probably can't get me. Probably. I wonder what's over there. You guys want to go run and eat?
They're all born
What is
December
it?
5th, 2019. Are this many cats born in a litter?
So, yeah, 2 to 3, yeah.
Wow, that's a trip.
Well, it's over there. They probably smell something.
Now that they're here, they use them to teach people about critically endangered animals and such. And they've got skulls at the end. I see that another person that feeds animals. Ooh, is it coming over here?
Pretty much.
Oh gosh.
Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come and get it, kitty. Well, this cat's just walking, not even looking where it's going.
It's like it's tricking you, like, I'm not even worried about you.
No, it's not. Oh, look at me.
It's incredible.
Wow, you're a beauty.
Wow. Thank you for that. There's something out there
Kitty,
that I
kitty,
want.
kitty.
Very stealthy. I do see the lady preparing food, so it might be related to that. She's looking at the food person over here.
Boy, this kitty cat's really, really close. I'm gonna follow you now, maybe. Where'd you go? Oh, you're in the glare. You are a poor enclosed cat.
They got their skulls here too. I find the nasal cavity very interesting, like these little swirly things.
Guess nobody wants to get in there and play with you. Can I see you around the side? But I couldn't. Where'd you go, cutie? Hi there. Oh, you're in the shade a little bit. Hi there, meow meow. Yeah.
Not doing it.
Yeah.
There were skulls in there with the cheetahs too. They have really interesting nostril things.
Mm. Cheetahs, the need for speed. Pause and educate yourself. All right, let's check out some skulls. Mountain lion. So glary. Yeah, mountain lion, male cheetah. A little bit bigger. Female cheetah doesn't get so much head capacity. Oh, they're up on the fence even now. What's up there? Is it the sound that thing's making?
I hope not.
Or is there a piece of animal up you want to run down and have for yourself? Let's go see what's up there. Draw my specs. Oh, I see what it is.
What is it?
It's a deer right up there. It's a deer right up against that fence. Let's see.
They want it.
They want to eat it.
It's not an emu,
It's
but
a-
it will do. I mean, not an emu.
It's a
gazelle.
white-tailed deer. It should be on it. Let's see its butt. It's got its head down. Yep. You gotta remember to listen to your birds and watch your animals. They know more than we do in some cases.
Yeah, watch their signals.
Watch their actions. I'm gonna go get that deer and bring it over. These guys obviously want it. Want it bad. All right, let's mosey on. Move it out.
So next will be a black bear. Another bear. There's even gonna be a wolf for Raaka.
Here we
The
are.
bear.
Gibbs.
Gibbs the bear. Cute. He's a boy born 2015. He was orphaned. His mommy orphaned him.
You're a dud.
They tried to let him go, but he kept hanging around cabins and park visitors. He had a weak immune system. He would not hibernate.
Huh?
He could not overcome his early interactions with people, so that's why he's here.
Great. Nice people.
Sleeping. Oh, when he walked away, he lifted up his head.
Oh,
Like, where's that guy gone? He's staring at me all day.
Stupid looking gimbal.
Okay, then the wolf should be next. Let's see this properly.
Gray wolf. Woof, woof.
Ooh,
There we
there's
are.
a little pond. Oh, oh my goodness. Scratching like a dog.
Here we come.
What a beauty. Oh, baby girl. My daughter wants one of these for a pet. So we got Timon and Liddy. Both gray wolves. Wolves.
Wolves.
Right back to the shade, huh? I think that's the other one way in the back laying down. You can kind of see the white body. Is that what I'm seeing way back there? Where the other one's headed now. Oh no. So these pups were born here unexpectedly when they were caring for a different wolf. The wolf these two pups were born. Oh my gosh, from Pennsylvania. They drove these pups all night around the clock back to Reno.
Yep.
They hunt in groups called packs.
Gray.
The skulls are surprisingly large.
That's what she said.
I like how they have water in there, the water feature.
Yeah, the water feature's pretty nice.
I mean, look at the wolf compared to the fox.
Dire wolf. It's a big one.
Well, that was cool we got to see because now it went and made it so scarce.
Coyote. Stop. Educate yourself. Stop. Pause. Educate yourself. Red fox. Hey, that guy's so funny. Had a filthy mouth on him. The gray wolf. Rawr. Get you. Spider. All right, that was a little extra.
Then it says Bird Muse. M-E-W-S. Bird Muse. What do you think's in these boxes that are locked at the front of some of these?
First aid stuff maybe, or
yeah, huh? No howling, look. Look at the people howling.
Oh my God.
Howling at the wolf. Don't do what this guy's doing.
Don't be this guy. Looks like he's blowing out smoke too. Hippie.
They must do a presentation for this meeting.
Alrighty.
Pause.
Pause and educate yourself. Oops, shit, I'm doing it. I'm that guy, Jesus.
Oh, is this the bird one? Space available. You can move in if you're an owl, if you're a hawk.
Yep, if you guys know any hoo-hoos or
Hoo-hoos. I heard a bird over there now. Oh, I guess there's several birds.
bird boxes.
Somebody's living in a barn. Born in a barn. Can't see nothing in there.
No.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Lots of construction over here.
Gray horned owl.
The wingspan. Baby. Wingspan.
She just fed this guy. It's pretty amazing.
Oh, nice. Get some mice or something?
Yeah, it's up on the top there. And she got a mouse leg.
Oh.
Flew down and grabbed it and flew back.
Ooh. Quite the favorite.
Beautiful. Too bad I can't see in there.
Very active for daytime.
Very active for daytime.
Their eyes are so. This is a great horned owl, born 2016, male. It's been here since it was 3 to 4 weeks old. Oh, they found it on the ground and rescued it.
There. All right, let's see this wingspan. How do you measure up? Ace says. Spread your wings and compare yourself to these common North American birds.
They tried to release that out too, and it just kept hanging out with neighbors and wouldn't go away, so they just brought it back.
I was so kept it and fed it and been my friend.
But that's how they end up here.
Well, I mean,
Unless you have like land like this, and yeah.
I know what I'm doing though.
Yeah, you would know what you were doing with the space to do it. Little turkey vultures. Ivy. Oh, is Ivy getting fed?
Ivy's getting a little cleanup.
You know, all the other ones have lists of names. There's only one family that wants to adopt Ivy.
Oh,
Oh, you see her?
she's on the ground.
Yeah. It's kind of small, huh? Compared to the ones around home. So cute. Cuter than the average. She likes you, huh?
Yeah, she's like a little puppy dog sometimes.
I can tell. It's so
Go
cute.
away, I'm trying to clean.
I'm busy
in a
here.
rush.
Trying to work. How many feet was the wingspan over there?
Several.
There's some big juniper berries on this puppy.
Oh, Heidi's being difficult.
Where's Ivy?
On the stand up there, being
Oh.
being in the way.
She's trying to stay out of the way now. Who could think they could be friendly? It's kind of adorable. Shorts are so I wonder if they're bigger where we are because it's more lush and they get bigger prey.
Probably younger. Probably lived quite a while.
She was born in 20. Date of birth unknown. But she's been here since 2012.
Oh,
So she's grown, I would
she's
say.
full grown.
I can't even pronounce it.
Whoa, that wasn't very. You are not very graceful.
And they are found across the whole United States.
Too much noise, buddy.
Oh, you gonna weigh her?
Yeah.
Nice. She
So
gets.
this is interesting. They're not really related to vultures or more closely related to storks, hawks, and eagles.
Up. Ivy. Up. Come on.
How cool.
1380. Good girl.
Oh.
Is it 13-pounder?
Yep. 141.
Her face is also cuter than the ones I've seen.
Good girl. All right. Down. Can you go down? Can you get down?
So I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
What else? What else?
Wow, it is like a little buddy.
Cute.
Little buddy gonna do something else. Do you get a treat for that? So excited. Oh yeah. She is excited. Oh, what's gonna happen? We're gonna do something fancy.
She's getting. Bird's very ready for whatever.
So exciting.
She's gonna do a video. She said. Backstage.
Alrighty. Is that a lot more graceful?
Awesome.
Oh yeah, I get some meat.
13 pounds on her, the end of her arm.
Get it.
What'd you just feed her?
Some quail.
Ah.
Not yet. Not yet.
All right.
Thank
Have a nice
you.
day.
Possibly a raccoon? I think it's a raccoon. Another raccoon. What a cute little friendly little bird. That's very trained like a dog.
Oh, God, it makes me want one. Totally hang out with me. Oh, righty.
Rocket, Ray, and Princess Leia live here.
Hey,
Also,
buddy.
They were all born May 4th, 2018, so they're siblings. Their eyes were still closed. They were only 8 days old when they got here. Raccoons cannot be returned to the wild as the species is considered high-risk rabies carrier.
Yeah, they're nasty mean, too.
They don't make good pets due to their dangerous nature and foraging habits, so
Yeah.
don't try to make these guys your pets. As much as Bobby said he
No, I don't
wants
want
to.
one of these so much. They're a pain in the ass, tearing into my crap all the time.
They sure are cute, though.
They are cute, but mischievous.
And they look like they would be with the little mask on. They totally. Oh, here it comes. Oh.
So I just want to mess with something. Oh,
Now, these guys are also small. The raccoons I've seen in California are like twice the size of these guys.
oh. Come feeding. I'll be in the ahead of the feeding chain.
Are we?
Stay ahead of the feeding chain. We get some activity out of these guys.
Is this the same gal that was up at the bear earlier?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at them all like puppies.
Yep.
Get the flower in the path. Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers. I am going to smell that thing too. Why doesn't it smell?
Probably not.
Maybe. 'Cause the bees have to find it. It does smell. Smell it. It smells like chocolate. I swear it smells like chocolate. I'm not kidding you. Doesn't it?
A little bit, yeah.
Trip. Wow. See, you just never know. Like the pink lady that I smelled that one day. Figured out it didn't smell like anything. Oh, it was like sweet citrus.
Coyote.
Sadie. Sadie was born 2007. A rancher found her abandoned in Fallon. She's been here since she was 2 weeks old. No fear of animals. Dependent on, humans and dependent on animals. Can't go back.
Sounds about right.
They're very important in the environment for maintaining the rodent population. You have to remember to coexist. Kenny the coyote. Oh, it's Kenny. They found Kenny in a backyard too, abandoned. Kenny's more shy than Sadie.
Oh. And again, don't be this guy over here howling at the coyotes.
It says at night the coyotes exchange howls with their wild cousins who live out and roam nearby. That's cool, huh? I'm in here. Ow! I'm out here. Ow! What's that mean? Oh, because they jump up here, they roll off the fence?
Oh, coyote rollers.
Yeah.
They roll, so when they try to jump the fence, they just roll off.
That's how they catch them.
Hopefully not fall on their back. Jeez. Pause and educate yourself.
You didn't see a coyote though, right?
No.
Okay. Huh. Sorry, the coyote. There's lots of those in the wild too.
Birds of prey. I collect feathers of birds of prey. Then I sell them, and I give them away to certain people that make dream catchers and other jewelry and things out of them. Some wildlife on the fence there.
So black.
Oh, is that getting you?
Will you stay with me?
No, that guy. Hey, where are you? There you are.
He was very chill. He's like, he doesn't see me. He doesn't
No,
see me.
he doesn't see me. He's not going to touch me with that. He's not going to touch
I'm
me.
blending. It's getting close.
He's almost touching me.
I wonder if mule ears are anything like lamb's ears. Let's see.
Penstemon.
I can smell the floral though. So sweet. Sweet. Red fox.
Red Fox, dude, he's so funny. There he is.
Jake and Elwood. Oh my gosh, Jake and Elwood, the Blues Brothers. That's their names.
Looks like a black fox.
Wow, I've never seen one that color. Also sweet. There's two boys in here. Born 2017. How is it a red fox when it's black?
Oh, here's the other one. So close.
Oh my gosh. So cute. Nappy, nappy.
Shading up.
These guys were from LA. Someone illegally offered them for sale. After the investigation, they confiscated them.
Try to sell them on eBay.
They went through, yeah, or Amazon, like you said earlier. Health exam. They both had parasites. They treated them. And they found homes for them. So they got here June 22nd at 9 weeks old. Oh my gosh, they were so tiny. They're so cute. But they're not red at all. I don't understand that. Oh, silver phase. Okay, so they're going through a phase. Their coat will be more red through another phase, apparently.
They're just young.
I think those are the
No.
cutest things I've seen here.
Juvenile.
Those are cute. Even cuter than Ivy, the turkey vulture.
I don't know.
Great.
They're up in their boxes.
There, you wanna? Oh yeah, they're up in the boxes. You see them?
Yep.
You see the top one. They were illegally held by private individuals. They originally came from the Sierra Nevada mountains. They had to surrender them to officials. Too socialized. They've been here since March 2020. Oh, so they're solitary hunters, not like the wolves. They don't hunt in packs.
Yeah.
They climb trees too. One of 2 fox species that will climb trees.
To chase you? What?
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for
Bring
watching.
my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I